Welcome back to Worship Guitar Now, and I hope you're having a great day. Today I got hung up with my new internet connection, so I just wanted to make a short video, and I was just kind of playing around with maybe the intro to a song. If you're playing in a worship setting and somebody's strumming an intro like a G and a C or a G and a C and a D type deal, instead of just strumming along with them, you might want to break it up and do something a little bit different. And here's where these chords come in. So if you break a G chord down to its basic point, and what you want to do is you want to go to the 3rd fret, and you want to make a little mini bar with your finger and cover those first strings, the bottom string and the one right next to it. So the E string and the B string. And then you want to take your 2nd finger and you want to put it on the 3rd string at the 4th fret. Now that makes a G chord, or a G major triad anyways. And it sounds like this. So then what you'll want to do from there is you'll just want to slide it all the way up with your mini bar on the 8th fret. And that's going to make your C chord, or your C major triad. And if you want to make your D, you just slide it up 2 more frets. So your mini bar is on the 10th fret. Now what I've done was add a little bit of reverb, but I've also added a lot of delay. So if you put those things together and you're working on an intro with another acoustic guitarist and you're playing the electric guitar, or even if you're playing your acoustic guitar and you want to just follow around with some different chords other than the open chords that the acoustic guitar is playing, maybe you want to try something like this. When you start breaking those open chords down into little triads, there's all sorts of fun things you can do. But for today, I just wanted to make a short video because I ran out of time in the day and give you something fun to try tonight. So plug into your amp, and if you have a delay and a reverb pedal, just give yourself a little bit of reverb and a lot of delay and play around with those G, C, and D major triad chords. Thanks again for joining me on Worship Guitar Now. And if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's people like you who make this channel even better.